Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the sky, feeling the rush of wind on your face? Well, today we are diving into the world's longest zipline challenge, and trust me, it's not just about the thrill, it's a journey of learning and discovery. As you know, guys, this is my fourth video of today on 5th December 2024, and as you know, this is just a new adventure story where you from. You just enjoy, you learn something, okay? Let's start. So, just imagine this, okay? Picture this, imagine this. Mr. Beast, known for his well challenges and epic giveaways, decides to take on a zip line that stretches over 5 kilometers across breathtaking landscapes. This is not just a test of courage, it's a lesson in perseverance and teamwork. As he prepares for the jump, he gathers his friends, each sharing their fears and hopes. It's incredible to see how they support each other, reminding us that we are stronger together. As they ascend to the launch point, the anticipation builds. Mr. Beast reflects on how challenges like this teach us to face our fears head on. He shares that life is a lot like ziplining. Sometimes you have to take that leap of faith to discover what you are truly capable of. And when he finally takes off, the world below transforms into a stunning blur of nature. It's exhilarating, but it's also a reminder of how small we are in this vast universe. Each moment. Sorry for that, guys. I have some pain here. Air teaches us to appreciate our surroundings and embrace every experience. After the side, Mr. Beast emphasizes that while the thrill is unforgettable, the real takeaway is about pushing boundaries and inspiring others to chase their dreams. So whether you are tackling a zip line or facing life's challenges, remember it's not just about the destination, it's about the lessons learned along the way. So get out there, take that leap, and who knows, you might just discover a whole new world waiting for you. Okay, bye for now, subscribe for more.